On December 26, 2024, under the winter haze of Chengdu, China unveiled a war machine that left military experts scrambling for answers. The J-36 stealth fighter. With its never-before-seen triple-engine layout and sweeping stealth profile, the jet emerged from secrecy into global headlines. This wasn't just another prototype rollout. It was a calculated statement of power. For the first time, the world saw a fighter designed to challenge U.S. air dominance deep into the Pacific, shifting the balance overnight. The J-36 is more than a technological breakthrough. It's a carefully crafted symbol of China's rising power. Unveiled on Mao Zedong's birthday, the timing was no coincidence, a direct nod to national pride and historical legacy. Its reveal instantly triggered high-level intelligence briefings in Washington, Tokyo, and Canberra, as defense analysts pored over every detail. The aircraft's imposing presence, combined with its advanced capabilities, signaled not only a leap in engineering, but also a bold political statement. China is ready to redefine the rules of air power in the 21st century. At the heart of the J-36's game-changing performance lies its triple-engine configuration, believed to combine two WS-10C engines with a prototype WS-15 for unmatched thrust. This setup enables sustained supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners, while carrying heavy weapons loads. Its massive internal fuel reserves give it an operational reach of up to 6,000 kilometers, placing distant U.S. bases like Guam and even Hawaii within striking range. The triple engines also generate extraordinary electrical power, supporting advanced radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and potentially directed energy weapons. In a Pacific theater where range dictates control, the J-36's propulsion design isn't just an engineering choice. It's a strategic weapon in itself, allowing China to project power farther and faster than ever before. The J-36's design breaks away from traditional fighter layouts, embracing a tailless flying wing with a double delta planform. This shape, paired with carefully blended fuselage and wing surfaces, dramatically reduces radar cross-section, making the jet harder to detect. Engine intakes are stealth-optimized, channeling airflow without exposing radar-reflective components. The side-by-side cockpit arrangement offers greater space for advanced avionics and improves crew coordination during complex missions. Composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings further enhance stealth performance. From any angle, the J-36 is built to slip past enemy sensors, strike with precision, and vanish before adversaries can react. A lethal combination for modern aerial warfare. The J-36 houses an enormous internal weapons bay, capable of carrying long-range YJ-12 anti-ship missiles, PL-15 air-to-air missiles, and precision-guided bombs while maintaining stealth. This design eliminates the drag and radar signature of external pylons, allowing the jet to stay hidden until the moment of attack. Its payload capacity enables it to strike enemy fleets, key infrastructure, and high-value aerial targets in a single mission. In modern combat, this combination of stealth and heavy firepower gives the J-36 a decisive battlefield advantage. The decision to equip the J-36 with 3 engines is more than a flashy design choice. It's a calculated move for range, endurance, and power. Triple engines provide redundancy in case of failure, ensuring the jet can survive long missions over open ocean. They also enable higher payload capacity without sacrificing speed or maneuverability. Most importantly, the surplus electrical output supports next-generation avionics, sensors, and potential energy weapons. In a vast theater like the Pacific, where distance is the ultimate challenge, the tri-jet design gives China an edge in sustained, high-intensity operation against America's F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The J-36 offers distinct advantages in range, payload, and endurance. While the F-22 excels in close-range agility and stealth refinement, the J-36 can operate deeper into contested zones without refueling. Compared to the F-35, it carries more weapons and flies farther, making it ideal for Pacific operation. The upcoming NGAD may surpass it in some areas, but until then, the J-36 challenges U.S. dominance and forces strategic adjustments across the Indo-Pacific region. The J-36 integrates AI-assisted flight controls, sensor fusion, and advanced electronic warfare systems to outmatch opponents. Its radar, infrared, and data links work seamlessly, providing real-time battlefield awareness. Lightweight composite materials boost stealth and fuel efficiency, while powerful onboard systems support future upgrades like energy weapons. These technologies transform the J-36 from a traditional fighter into a networked combat asset, designed to dominate in high-tech, contested airspace for years to come. The J-36's arrival forces a strategic shift across the Pacific. Its extended range means U.S. carriers and allied bases can no longer operate close to contested zones without risk. Air defense networks in Japan, Guam, and Australia must adapt to intercept a stealth aircraft capable of deep strike missions. The jet's ability to carry heavy anti-ship missiles threatens naval dominance, while its stealth and speed complicate early detection. For China, it's a tool to push back foreign forces and assert control over key maritime routes. For the U.S. and allies, it's a challenge demanding rapid upgrades in tactics and technology. The unveiling of the J-36 sent shockwaves through defense circles. In Washington, officials called for speeding up NGAD development, while Japan and Australia pledged tighter coordination with U.S. forces. NATO allies voiced concern over China's growing reach, fearing the jet could be exported to partner states. Russia offered public praise, but privately studied its impact on their own air dominance. Across Southeast Asia, militaries began seeking advanced air defense systems. The J-36's debut didn't just shift military plans. It altered global alliances, prompting nations to rethink strategies for the decade ahead. China has actively showcased the J-36 within its military circles, using it as a tool to boost morale and inspire recruitment. Public airshow appearances, tightly controlled but highly publicized, project the image of a modern, unstoppable air force. Military academies highlight the jet in training programs, framing it as a symbol of national pride and technological progress. For service members, the J-36 isn't just hardware. It's a representation of China's growing role as a dominant power capable of challenging long-standing global air supremacy. The J-36's introduction reshapes China's Indo-Pacific strategy, giving it the reach to project air power across contested waters. From the South China Sea to the Taiwan Strait, its range and stealth force regional powers to adapt quickly, invest in defenses, and prepare for a new era of Chinese aerial dominance. The J-36's arrival signals a turning point in global air power. How the U.S. and allies respond will define the next decade of aerial warfare. Stay informed, subscribe for in-depth military analysis, and join us as we track the technologies and strategies shaping tomorrow's battles in the Indo-Pacific and beyond.